This FastCap tape measure with a grey background is a flatback metric standard. What we mean by that is it's flat, which means we can use it on curved work. Also, it'll lay flat on your timber for marking out, but we have metric markings and standard, or what we'd probably call imperial measurements, inches on the other side. So we can either use our metric or our imperial. Also, this can be useful if you've got a drawing perhaps and it's come as sizes maybe in inches, but you work in millimeters. You could easily look down this and say, well, 8 inches is actually 202, 203 millimeters. Very easy conversion if you're doing that kind of work. For more detail of any of our FastCap tape measures, check us out at woodworkersworkshop.co.uk. Remember, we do ship worldwide. Look at us on our social media channels as well.